Okay, this was going to be a video on the purge valve. I had the po455 code. So the engine cover was on like that. You just pop it off. Just these rubber things pop out, hold it in place, right? I'm not sure why there's a hole in this. In fact, I got to look into that. I hope that's supposed to be there. I don't remember seeing that, but it does concern me because that would cause the same code. But anyway, the old purge valve was a nightmare to get out. It really was. So the hose was stuck in there. It sits in there like this, okay? You get the plug out using a little pick tool. You just stick the pick tool in there, in the end there, and you get the plug out. You got to lift it off this little lip. See this little lip right there? So you got to lift that clip off the lip. So I got the new purge valve. Now I changed the fuel pump. Okay, I changed the fuel pump and the check engine light came back after about 60 miles. The first time it lasted a really long time. This one it came back quicker. I guess it has to do with how much fuel you have in your tank. I'm actually getting a call right now, but I'm not going to pick it up. So here's the new purge valve. Now, I was going to plug it on there. You can see where it sits onto that. Okay, it even comes with the piece that it sits in. That's nice. Now, don't forget to put these factory clamps on, which I hate, okay? I would much rather have a screw clamp. I don't like those weird clamps. Let's see if I can push this in. I hate those things. I despise them. They're just annoying. So, it's going in good, but, you know, I'm not going to be able to spin it like that on the other side. Let's do one more spin so I get it in the right position to hang on that motor mount so there's no pressure on the hose. Yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, now I'm going to put the clip in. Let's get it clipped. There we go. Good clip so it doesn't come back out. Okay. I don't like the way that felt. You know what? It's not clipping. Look at that. And I'd use the pick tool to get it out. It looks like I might have to use a pick tool to pop it back in, too. You know what? I'll put a tie wrap around it. That's what I'm going to have to do. Let's lock it. It's not locking strong. I don't like it. I don't like it like that, so we're going to have to get a tie wrap and wrap it around that. Because I don't need that vibrating off. It's on, but it's not gripping tightly. And then this goes onto the frame, into this hose right here, clip, clip, and you're done. And that's it. Now I'm going to reset the check engine light. But that's where your purge valve is. And it's a pain, you know, to get these things open. I really kind of cut them up with one of these tools. I actually cut them off, and it still didn't want to release. And what happened was I was able to blow air through this. You shouldn't be able to. So that's where my leak was. I was able to blow air through it. So, all right. I hope that helped anybody. And you could do this yourself. Now I'm going to reset. And hopefully, I'll let you know in the comments if it cleared the code. Like, subscribe. You never know what you're going to get in my videos.